Day 4 and 5 of our Dragster project is going to have you designing what you want your car to look like. And so this video is just going to go through kind of an overview of what you need to do and what goes into your design notebook. There are other videos that will then talk you through the specifics of each of these types of sketches, and so you'll want to watch those as well. All right, so when we are drawing and designing, you're going to start by completing 5 to 10 thumbnail sketches. These are just quick, not a lot of detail, kind of quick sketches, just to get the ideas from your head down onto paper. Then you're going to complete 2 to 4 multi-view drawings, and so this is looking at a car from different perspectives. So if I were to draw this car looking at it from the side and then also looking at it from the top view, and you can see they look differently whether it's from the side or from the top, and so the multi-view drawing then helps us to just give more detail and view things from different perspectives. And then you're going to narrow that down to your one final idea, your final drawing. And your final drawing should be nice and neat. You should spend more time doing that one. It should be from different perspectives, so again, a top and side view drawing. And this one you're going to want to add dimensions. So you're going to want to add those measurements, so that can be the plan then that is going to be created or actually designed or built. Okay, and as we go through this today, our essential question is, how does a multi-view drawing communicate design ideas with accuracy? So when we do a drawing from different angles, so the side view and the top view, how does that help communicate what we want and with our design idea? All right, so you should be able to answer that question at some point today. All right, so let's go ahead and pause this video and open up your design notebook. All right, our design notebook is open. You see day 4 and 5. Again, this is a multi-day portion of this project, and so it's not something that has to be done on the first day, but you'll have more opportunities to work on this. And you can see that we are developing our ideas through creating these sketches. So we've got this background information about aerodynamics, about dragsters. We know what our car is supposed to look like in terms of the specifications, the specific measurements, and that sort of thing. And so now we're taking those ideas and putting them onto paper. All right, so let's click on the bookmark, drop down to day 4 and 5. So as always, again, set a goal for yourself. Over the course of the next couple of days here, what do you want to accomplish? See our essential question: how does a multi-view drawing communicate design ideas? Multi-view means viewing it from 2 or more perspectives. All right, so what do you want that, or how does that help us when we communicate our ideas? All right, so then as we get down here, we are now creating sketches. So you're, again, creating quick thumbnail sketches, you're narrowing down your ideas and creating some multi-view drawings, and then choosing your best idea and creating one final drawing, and that's going to be your plan. So the thumbnail sketches, you can either draw them on a separate sheet of paper. You could create a Google drawing to do that. Everybody must complete 5 thumbnail sketches. It's not too difficult. That would take probably 30 seconds. You should complete 7 to 10, or you could aspire to do up to 10. Okay? And so that's, when you do that, you're going to put your image right here. So if I want to do a Google drawing, I would go up to Insert. So under here where it says Image of Thumbnail Sketches, I would go to Insert, choose Drawing, and I would choose a new drawing. And here's where I can then create my different thumbnail sketches if I prefer to do it this way. Use some of the different shapes and line tools and things like that. I would prefer to do mine on paper. That's just me personally. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my my car. When I draw my cars or my thumbnail sketches, again, quick sketches, then I'm going to take an image of those, because we are not collecting your pieces of paper that have all your drawings on it, so we need to be able to see what you're doing. And so you're going to then insert an image. All right? So go ahead and work on these thumbnail sketches right now. Here's a video that will talk you through how to do those thumbnail sketches and give you some more details about that, so I would suggest watching that as well. Once I've got my thumbnail sketches done, I'm going to insert image. I'll use my camera, or if I took it on a camera, I can upload it from the computer, but either one of those. And I'm going to put the image of my thumbnail sketches right here. And so you can see I did 8 of them, just quick ideas about what my car, my Dragster, the fastest possible car that I make, or that I could design, could look like. All right, once you've got those done, we're going to go on to our multi-view drawings. Again, here's another instructional video that will guide you through how to do your multi-view drawings. You can do these on a separate sheet of paper. You could create a Google drawing again. Everybody must complete 2 versions, 2 top and side view drawings. You should do 3, and you could aspire to do 4. All right, so go ahead and work on those. Pause this video and work on those. And when you're done, then you're going to include an image of your multi-view drawings. So when I have, again, those multi-view drawings done, I'm going to go to Insert Image, use my camera, and take a picture of those. When I take a picture, there is one of my multi-view drawings. So you can see here's the top view of it. It's maybe hard to read, but this says top right here. Here's the side view of it. Okay, that's one. And remember, everybody must complete another, or at least 2 top and side view drawings. So I've got another one. Again, insert an image of that. Here's another kind of side view, top view, just a different design. I should do 3 drawings. You could aspire to do 4 drawings again, but those you're going to include in your design notebook. Once you have those done, then you're going to go on to our final design drawing. So everybody must complete 1 final drawing. Now your final drawing should be neater, it should be better, you should spend more time doing it. You have some different options. Do you want to just do 1 final multi-view drawing? Similar to this, I would spend more time and actually make it look neater. Okay, that's what everybody must do. The should do is that you should have a drawing that has dimensions. So now what you would want to do is you'd want to create your multi-view drawing like this, but then add dimensions to it where you go back up and use that specification chart from the previous day. If I scroll back up here, go to the specification chart right here and use this information and put that information and those measurements onto your drawing. That's what we're talking about dimensions. Okay? And you could aspire to do a full scale drawing, a final scale drawing. And that one means that the drawing is actual size. So on a piece of paper, you're going to do a scale drawing, so a drawing where it's actual size. So you'd have to get out a ruler, have to get out a pencil, and actually measure to make it the exact size that you will make it on the 3D printer or out of that wood block. And there's a video right here, another instructional video on how to go back and do that, and that will walk you through those steps of creating that final design or that final drawing that is to scale and has dimensions on it. When you've done that drawing, you're going to again insert an image of it. So there's mine right here. You can see, it's maybe a little bit hard to see, but this is a side view. Here's the top view, and there are a whole bunch of dimensions. So here's a height dimension over here, how tall from the bottom up to this point. Here's height in the back of this. Here's the length of this. So this car is 7.5 inches. I just kept it the full length. Some different lengths here from the front to where the wheel's going to go right here. It looks like 2 inches. From the back of the car to where the back wheel is going to go. You can't quite read what that dimension is on there, but you can see how there are dimensions added to this. And this is actually the full size. So on a piece of paper, this is actually 7.5 inches. Okay, so you can do one where you measure it and make it the exact size, or you can just do one that's not the exact size, but it still has the dimensions on it. That's what everybody should do that. Okay, and so you just need to pick one of these. You don't have to do a final drawing and then do another one with dimensions and then another one that's full scale. You just pick one of those options for your final drawing. Okay, once you have that final drawing done, then you're going to do a summary again. What did you accomplish and what did you learn over the last couple days? And then you see the end of day 4 and 5 for this project. This can get confusing. Please go back and watch these other instructional videos that are linked here in your design notebook. That one, the one with the multi-view drawings right here, and those will help you with some specifics about those types of drawings. If you do have questions, because it can be confusing, please, please, please make sure you reach out to your teachers and we will give you that extra help. So enjoy this, come up with a good plan, and the next step after we have this plan and these drawings done is we get to build. So we're looking forward to that. So get your plans done, and reach out to your teachers if you have questions. Good luck.